You need to stop chasing women and start attracting them instead. Hey fellas, let me tell you a story about my friend Morris. Morris never chases women, never craves validation, or overthinks his moves. Yet women can't help but be drawn to him. They are captivated by him. And do you know his secret? Independence and confidence. Women love a challenge, they are naturally curious, and when you're not always available or seeking approval, you signal you're in control, and that's magnetic. Women are wired for independence and mystery. By not being desperate, you become intriguing. She'll wonder, why isn't he texting me back? Why is he not looking at me? That creates curiosity, and that curiosity turns into desire. This will translate as self-confidence, and remember, confidence is key. When you're content alone, you don't need her validation. That self-assurance draws women in like gravity. Ironically, the less you need her, the more she'll want you. Confidence isn't loud, it's subtle. When you're okay with being alone, you become irresistible. Remember, it's about healthy indifference and not arrogance. You don't want her to feel invisible. You want her to step up and show she's worthy of your time. So here's your challenge. Stop chasing and be comfortable with yourself. Let her come to you. When you master the art of being alone, you become the prize. Now, are you ready to step your game up? If that is a yes, then please like and hit the subscribe button. Drop a comment. We catch you in the next video.